Introducing the Match HPLW18T Precise Hydraulic Lifting Wedge, a professional tool designed for safe work and heavy lifting applications. Remember, safety comes first. Therefore, before use, put on appropriate personal protective equipment: gloves, goggles, protective clothing. Before starting work with the tool, make sure that the load does not exceed the maximum lifting capacity. The contact surfaces are not damaged, and there is a minimum of 9.5 millimeters clearance under the load. Then check the tool and all its components to ensure they are in good working condition, including the hydraulic pump and hoses. Visually inspect the wedge head, body, and connections. Depending on the work being performed, we recommend using as many lifting wedges as necessary to achieve even lifting force and maintain safety. Connect a hydraulic pump with a pressure gauge. Next, connect the hydraulic hose to the pump and the tool. Remember to always control the pressure. It should not exceed 700 bar. Then, insert the first step of the lifting wedge into the gap. It is very important that the step is inserted completely under the load and that the tool is perpendicular to the load, not at an angle. Incorrect positioning of the tool may result in damage to the tool or danger to the operator. Never put your fingers under the load. When everything is ready, slowly increase the pressure while controlling the lifting of the load. There might be time when the gap is too big or greater lifting height is required. That's when you use match-stepped blocks. Once attached to the top plate and secured with the screw, enables the tool to be used in wider gaps, increase lifting height, and reduce the wedge extension, thus avoiding clashes with components. Remember to maintain a minimum grip of 15 millimeters on the first step. Back to our maintenance. Once the desired lifting height has been achieved, insert the safety block into the gap. Open the pump valve, slowly relieving the pressure on the tool and transferring it to the safety block. The lifting wedge can now be safely removed. If necessary, the HPLW18T can now be inserted into the next step to lift the load further, repeating the previous step. After completing maintenance or installation work, all steps should be performed in reverse order, remembering to lower the load evenly and control the pressure. Good job! Now you know how to use Match Hydraulic Lifting Wedge. Safety match tools are best tools.